This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough.
Tickmill positions itself as a broker, built for traders who prioritize execution speed, tight spreads, and transparency rather than flashy bonuses or aggressive marketing. One of the platform's standout strengths is execution quality. Orders are generally filled quickly with minimal slippage, even during volatile market conditions, which is critical for news traders, scalpers, and short-term strategies that rely on precise entry and exit timing. Many traders highlight the consistency of fills and the overall stability of the trading environment during high liquidity sessions. Tickmill supports MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, making it highly compatible with expert advisors, custom indicators, and automated trading systems. This is a strong advantage for traders who rely on algorithmic strategies or prefer a familiar, professional trading interface. Leverage can go as high as 1 to 1,000 depending on jurisdiction, providing flexibility for smaller accounts, though it requires disciplined risk management. The broker also supports multiple base currencies, helping traders avoid unnecessary conversion fees and offers Islamic swap-free trading for those who need it. Another positive is Tickmill's operational simplicity. The platform avoids unnecessary distractions, focusing instead on core trading functionality. Deposit and withdrawal processes are generally described as predictable, with traders often noting consistent processing times compared to less established brokers. This reliability matters for traders who value access to their funds without delays or excessive manual intervention. On the downside, Tickmill is not a feature-heavy ecosystem. You won't find the integrated copy trading networks, social feeds, or advanced analytics dashboards built into the platform. Educational resources exist but remain fairly basic, which may challenge complete beginners who need structured learning support. Promotions and bonuses are limited, which some traders appreciate for transparency, while others may view it as a lack of onboarding incentives. In terms of background, Tickmill was founded in 2014 and has steadily built a reputation around institutional-style pricing and execution quality. Over time, it has expanded its regulatory presence and global client base, with a clear focus on professional and cost-conscious traders rather than casual speculators. This conservative growth strategy has helped Tickmill maintain consistency rather than chasing rapid expansion. Now, looking at account structure and pricing. Tickmill offers a commission-free option where trading costs are embedded directly into the spread, appealing to traders who prefer simple, predictable pricing. For traders who want tighter pricing precision, there is a raw spread option where spreads can drop to zero during liquid market hours, paired with a low fixed commission per lot. Minimum deposits remain relatively accessible, allowing traders to start without oversized commitments. Overall, Tickmill's pricing structure rewards disciplined, cost-aware traders who value execution reliability and low trading costs over flashy features and marketing extras. NADEX operates in a completely different category from traditional forex and CFD brokers, focusing on exchange-traded derivatives rather than leveraged spot trading. From a feature standpoint, NADEX's core offering is event-based contracts and knockout products that allow traders to speculate on clearly defined outcomes with fixed risk. Instead of variable margin requirements or floating losses, NADEX trades are structured around predefined maximum risk and reward, which can appeal to traders who want absolute clarity before entering a position. One of NADEX's standout features is that it operates as a regulated exchange rather than a broker. Trades are matched on an order book, and NADEX does not take the opposite side of client positions. This structure removes traditional broker conflict, but also introduces a very different trading dynamic. Traders buy and sell contracts based on probabilities rather than price movement alone, which requires a different mindset and strategy approach. The platform itself is proprietary and designed specifically for NADEX products. It supports desktop and mobile trading, with contracts available across forex, stock indices, commodities, and economic events. Contract durations range from very short-term to longer expiries, making the platform popular with traders who focus on short-term market reactions or event-driven setups. However, this structure also creates limitations. NADEX does not support MetaTrader, expert advisors, or automated trading. Scalping in the traditional sense is not applicable, and strategy flexibility is narrower than with spot FX brokers. Many traders also find the pricing model unintuitive at first, especially if they are used to spreads, pips, and margin-based trading. Another drawback is user sentiment around withdrawals and platform behavior. While NADEX emphasizes regulation and segregation of funds, customer feedback frequently mentions frustration with platform rules, contract settlement behavior, and perceived difficulty in achieving consistent profitability. NADEX was founded in 2004 and is regulated in the United States by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. It is headquartered in Chicago and operates as a designated contract market. Over time, NADEX has positioned itself as a compliant, exchange-based alternative to offshore binary options platforms, focusing heavily on regulatory legitimacy rather than trader flexibility. Now moving to pricing and account structure. NADEX offers a single exchange membership model rather than traditional account tiers. Fees are charged per contract traded. Event contracts carry a small per contract trading fee and an additional settlement fee. If the contract expires in the money, knockout contracts have higher per contract trading and settlement fees. There are no spreads in the traditional sense, and maximum risk is capped by contract design. Deposits are free, ACH withdrawals are free, while wire withdrawals and chargebacks carry fixed fees. Looking at independent customer sentiment helps clarify the contrast. Tickmill holds a Trustpilot rating of 3.6, with traders commonly praising execution speed, stable platforms, and predictable trading conditions. Positive comments often highlight smooth withdrawals and tight pricing, while criticism usually focuses on limited features rather than trust concerns. NADEX carries a Trustpilot rating of 1.6, with many negative reviews centered on user frustration, contract behavior, and difficulty withdrawing funds. Some users describe the experience as restrictive or confusing, especially for traders transitioning from traditional forex platforms. Final takeaway: if you want a clean, execution-focused trading environment with flexible strategies, familiar platforms, and transparent broker-style pricing, Tickmill is clearly the stronger and more practical choice. NADEX may appeal to traders specifically seeking fixed risk, exchange-traded contracts within a regulated US framework, but it operates in a very different category that is not suitable for most active forex traders. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that best fits how you trade, manage risk, and build confidence with clarity and control.